Are you ready to explore in the embracing arms of a tropical paradise? Cuba is a fascinating tourist destination that offers a unique combination of dance, music, colors, and history. With its friendly people, historical texture, and natural beauty, Cuba offers an unforgettable vacation experience. Havana, the capital of Cuba, is an open-air museum. With its colorful streets, historic buildings, and exotic atmosphere, Havana will embrace you as soon as you step into it. The famous Malecon Coastal Road is the meeting point for locals and offers spectacular views at sunset. Also, watching the colorful shows at the famous Tropicana Theater will leave unforgettable memories. Trinidad, one of the best-preserved historic cities in Cuba, takes visitors on a journey through time. With its cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and colonial architecture, this city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here you can visit local markets to buy handmade products and dance in the streets to live music. Varadero is one of the places that combine the beauties of Cuba with sea, sand, and sun. Famous for its white sandy beaches and turquoise waters, this region offers an ideal option for those interested in water sports. You can dive and discover the mystery of the underwater world. You can also spend a pleasant time on golf courses in the lush green nature. If you want to find peace in nature, the Viñales Valley may be just the place you are looking for. Spectacular mogotes, hill-shaped limestone hills, rolling fields, and local farms make this region unique. You can explore this natural beauty on bike tours or hikes and enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables from local farms. If you want to add a little culinary break to your itinerary, welcome to Cuba's world of flavors. Tostones is a unique snack prepared by frying raw bananas and combining them with a salty flavor. Cuban mojito is a mixture of mint leaves, lime juice, white rum, soda water, and sugar. The drink is refreshing, and the taste is mesmerizing. You will feel the rhythm of the island with every sip. Cuba is a destination that has eased visa requirements for tourists. You can enter Cuba with the tourist card given to many people traveling for touristic purposes. This card is usually available from airline companies or Cuban consulates. Before the start of your vacation, you will be just one step away without dealing with visa procedures. Now, how about taking this step to discover the energy, culture, and beauty of Cuba? Start preparing for the unforgettable memories and experiences that await you.